First thing you're going to do is heat your oven up. It's got to get to 165 degrees, fan forced. And then you want 125 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, and a tablespoon of water in a saucepan. You're going to heat that up. Now, this is a 250 gram block of butter. 125 is exactly half of it. If you're not confident doing it that way, do it diagonally. Just check. Yep. Beautiful. For me, 2 tablespoons. We'll say that's 1. 2 good squeezes. 1 tablespoon of water. A little bit too much. Then going to put that on a low heat. And while that's happening, I'm going to get the dry ingredients ready. Mixing bowl, you want 1 cup of flour, plain flour, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of brown sugar. When you're measuring out brown sugar, it can be a bit tricky because that looks like a bit over a cupful. But what you need to do is push it down. It's not a cup yet. This is why they call for a firmly packed cup. Once you've got all the dry ingredients in a bowl, give them a mix around. Until it's all combined. So not one big lump of oats, not one big lump of sugar, not one big lump of flour, not one big lump of coconut. All mixed up pretty much the same. Do about that. Then what we're going to do, once your butter has melted, I've turned the heat off. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. Now this part can be a little bit dangerous because that is boiling. This will make it froth up as well, so I'll try and do it near the sink. Just to stir around quickly. Once it gets to that point, I'm going to take it over. You can see it's still expanding. And I'm going to tip it into my mix. It's all come out. Come to the sink. A bit of water running in it. And I'll start mixing this. So now I've got it to this consistency. I didn't add anything more dry into it because it looked dry enough. I've got a couple of trays, a bit of baking paper on it. Oven is at 150 degrees. What I'm going to do is try and turn this around like this. Hi, already washed my hands. I'm going to take some mixture, roll it into my hands into a bit of a ball. Yay big, put on the baking paper. Now, I can do 2 and then my hands are going to get a little bit sticky. So what I like to do then, I'll show you a trick. Run my little tap a bit. All of a sudden, it doesn't stick to them anymore. So every second one, a little bit of water on your hands. Again, about yay big. So now I've got them on the baking paper and oven's at 165 degrees and they can go in. Now we can do all this washing up while we wait for the bickies to cook. They've got to go in for 20 minutes. So it is 12:43 now. So the timer's just gone off. I'm gonna have a quick look in. They look pretty good before I open it, let the heat out. Go about another minute. So I'm giving them another minute. I've got a couple of trays laid out up here on top so I can put the hot trays onto. I'm going to be confident. That's how they're ready. Beautiful. See how they've spread out the original balls? You can cook them for a little bit longer if you like a darker colour on top, like that type of colour. I like them like that.